All right, guys, so for the front fenders for the Predator, I'm just going to give it a quick light scuff and try and get some of this out if I can. But the goal is to not have to repaint it, just re-clear coat it. So, well, I mean, it is painting either way, but you know what I mean. The goal is just to re-clear coat it and not have to do anything with the black paint, because that part turned out pretty dang good. So just want to re-clear coat that, and then I'll have to try and hang it on something way over there. I think that's the best bet, because guys, it's already almost midnight, and I want it to kind of cure more before I run downstairs with it, because it's probably only like 10 degrees out. So I don't want to like quickly move it. Like, I just want it to chill. So, and what I also brought up in a video or two ago is that doing those plastics, there's not like a whole lot of overspray, so I'm not too worried. Plus, with it being 65 in here, it's a little different from when I painted my truck. I can run the fan a little bit longer without having to worry about it dropping too fast, because when I did my truck, it was only at 60. So I just got to find something to hang that off of, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need both of these to do the Predator or the Scrambler plastics. So hopefully maybe I could hang it off the ladder or something, but we'll have to figure that out when we get there. But time to start scuffing this up. All right, guys, so I just finished scuffing up the Predator plastics here, and you guys can see all the scratch marks. I'm hoping that they're not too deep where you'll see them underneath the clear coat. I'm hoping it was just enough for the clear coat to stick to. May have gotten a little deep with a few of them, but I only used this little like wire Scotch pad. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be like a lighter Scotch pad than like the formed ones. You know, okay, that's the best way I can explain it. But I'm gonna get it all cleaned up here and spray it, and fingers crossed and hope for the best. All right, guys, so I got the front fenders for the Predator right here, and what I actually did is I sprayed over it really quick with the same black I used as the side panels, just a little spray can, just to, you know, cover up the whole front right there, and also, you know, just make sure that those scratches wouldn't show. Just do it all so that this will be good enough. And a few spots look a little rough. Not sure if that's from the clear coat, or hopefully it's not because it reacted. It looks like the dry spots from the clear coat though. So I'm gonna clear coat it now and lay it on really nice and hope that it looks perfect. All right, guys, and I just finished spraying the clear coat, and well, here you guys have it. It looks really good. The clear coat definitely laid down way better than the first one that I put on it. I'm actually seeing a little bit of orange peel, but no big deal. I mean, it's not that bad. But the only thing is that like I tried touching up that spot, and then I was like, nah, I'm just gonna respray it and then re-clear coat it. Take no chances. Just gonna do it all right now, because you know I already had it scuffed up. I was like, you know what? I could just shoot it black really quick and then clear it, and then for sure not have any problems. You know, no big deal. It's done, and it looks way better. Turned out way better, and I am happy with this one. Still gonna be putting the graphics kit on it, more than likely, just for a change for this year. Why not? And now I'm just hoping that the Scrambler ones turn out this good. So I gotta get this moved over there, those ones moved over here, and well, hope that no overspray gets on it over there. A little bit worried about that. But I don't really know anywhere else I could put it, so stay tuned.